50 English sentences with who. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Who are you?
Who are you?
Who is your teacher?
Who is your teacher?
Who lives next door to you?
Who lives next door to you?
Who wrote this book?
Who wrote this book?
Who painted this picture?
Who painted this picture?
Who is playing the piano?
Who is playing the piano?
Who wants to go for a walk?
Who wants to go for a walk?
Who is coming to the party with me?
Who is coming to the party?
Who can help me with this?
Who can help me with this?
Who do you like to talk to?
Who do you like to talk to?
Who is the tallest person in your class?
Who is the tallest person in your class?
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
Who is your favorite actress?
Who is your favorite actor?
Who cooked dinner tonight?
Who cooked dinner tonight?
Who cleans your room?
Who cleans your room?
Who is taking care of the dog?
Who is taking care of the dog?
Who invented the airplane?
Who invented the airplane?
Who is the president of your country?
Who is the president of your country?
Who discovered America?
Who discovered America?
Who is that man over there? Who is that woman over there?
Who is that man? Woman over there?
I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is.
Do you know who took my phone?
Do you know who took my phone?
Who called you yesterday?
Who called you yesterday?
Who gave you these gifts?
Who gave you this gift?
Who wants to watch a movie?
Who wants to watch a movie?
Can you tell me who broke the window?
Can you tell me who broke the window?
Who is responsible for this mess?
Who is responsible for this mess?
Who is the one who always arrives late?
Who is the one who always arrives late?
Who do you think will win the game?
Who do you think will win the game?
It was John who borrowed your car.
It was John who borrowed your car.
She is the one who speaks French.
She is the one who speaks French.
He is the one who helped me study.
He is the one who helped me study.
They are the ones who organized the party.
They are the ones who organized the party.
I wonder who left the door open.
I wonder who left the door open.
Who lives in this house?
Who lives in this house?
Who bought these flowers?
Who bought these flowers?
Who do you want to invite to your birthday?
Who do you want to invite to your birthday?
Who is going to win the competition?
Who is going to win the competition?
Who needs help with their homework?
Who needs help with their homework?
Who wants another slice of pizza?
Who wants another slice of pizza?
Anyone who studies hard will succeed.
Anyone who studies hard will succeed.
There isn't anyone who doesn't love chocolate.
There isn't anyone who doesn't love chocolate.
I don't know who to ask for help.
I don't know who to ask for help.
No matter who wins, we all had fun.
No matter who wins, we all had fun.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
I'm looking for someone who speaks Spanish.
I'm looking for someone who speaks Spanish.
Who wants to volunteer?
Who wants to volunteer?
Who is brave enough to ride the roller coaster?
Who is brave enough to ride the roller coaster?
Can you guess who is coming for dinner tonight?
Can you guess who is coming for dinner tonight?
Who is the kindest person you know?
Who is the kindest person you know?
Thank you for watching this video.